Hello, trading is closed on November 10th, 2020. Let's start with our disclaimer. Keep all the lawyers happy. I was busy all day today, had very little time to look at the market. Anyone who wants to risk money on that should keep that in mind. We did have some calls. We said that the commonest thing was a gap and a prompt move outside the day's range. That's what happened. Next most common was to close, little change. Well, a little change to me is 4 points or less. We didn't close 4 points or less. We closed 4 and a fraction points, but we did get the commonest thing. This is a pattern with the early low, which we call for, and tomorrow has a pattern with the early high. Only signal we got from MEJT was a sell signal here, but the target was printed immediately. There's always support when the target prints. The support doesn't have to hold, but here it did. This is a bullish pattern as far as tomorrow's concerned. Gap down, hit a low, lower low, close over all the lows. Either you gap and undercut this low, or else these lows are rejected and you trade higher. It's not a guarantee that you close higher. So as far as tomorrow, it's pretty positive unless this falls early. Longer term, not so good. Here's our trend line right at the highs. That's holding. We had a break over this trend line yesterday. We said confirmation is trading past this close by 1 cent. That didn't happen. We're under the break now. Under this line now, so that break does not count. One day after hitting a new all-time high, we're now under this prior high. We're under this prior high. That's a rejection of the break. Needs confirmation by trading under today's close tomorrow by 1 cent, but it's not a healthy pattern for the longer term. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. Typically, it's a rally day with a late high. Failure is a straight line drop. As far as tomorrow is concerned, we gap down, hit a lower low, closed over intraday lows. It's a bullish pattern. Either we gap and take out today's low promptly, or we see higher prices. But longer term, there are additional signs of weakness to go along with the negative sentiment indicators, and that is today's call.